Okay, you got this, you got this, you got this. Hello, I'm Sharon. I'm the chief designer of Heliades.com. We design and hand make luxurious sun protective accessories that are fun and stylish. Let's face it, we have different moods and we like to change up our outfits. And I believe that you deserve to invest in your health and step out in style every day with beautiful, functional, fashionable accessories that serve a dual purpose of protecting your skin. I'm a mom of four, and I started this business because self-preservation is something we often put on the back burner. I believe that the better you are, the more you can give and take care of others. So healthy skin is essential. Obviously, it's important for your overall health, but also for you and your own well-being. Because when you look good, you feel good. And anyone who is tired or feeling sleep deprived, carrying that ongoing, never ending mental load, you get what I'm talking about. And we just cannot overlook the importance of self confidence. It's something you feel right here. And honestly, something that no one can take away if you believe it. Taking care of your skin isn't just about what you put on it or what you wear, though. There are things you can do at home today, and it doesn't have to cost a lot to get your skin glowing and keep yourself feeling positive and good about yourself. So I created a free download of 7 tips that will get you going or keep you on a path for healthy, glowing skin. It's called Want Glowing Skin, and you can access it at Heliades.com in our About section. So we are on a mission to lift up all women and all that we do. And I want to remind you to take care of your health and love and defend your glowing skin. So check out the free download of 7 tips and get glowing with your glow. And this is Sharon with Heliades.com, and thank you for watching. Bye.